Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete the $av_aswa folder. First, ensure your computer is ready for this important maintenance task. Begin by completely disconnecting your device from the internet. Turn off Wi-Fi or unplug any Ethernet cables to prevent interference. Next, you must restart your system into safe mode, which provides a stripped-down environment for troubleshooting. This crucial step lets us access files that might otherwise be in use. It is a necessary precaution for a smooth process. To enter safe mode, please restart your computer while holding down the Shift key, then click Troubleshoot from the recovery options. Proceed by selecting Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, and finally click Restart. Once your computer restarts, you will see a list of options. Simply press the number 4 or the F4 key to choose Enable Safe Mode. Remember, Safe Mode disables many background processes, making file deletion much safer. With your system now in safe mode, it is time to locate the folder. Open File Explorer by clicking its icon or pressing the Windows key and E simultaneously. Then navigate to your C drive, typically called Local Disk C. The $av_aswa folder should be visible there. If you cannot see it, simply enable Hidden Items by going to the View tab at the top of File Explorer and checking the Hidden Items box. Now for the main event, deleting the folder. Right-click on the $av_aswa folder you have just found. From the menu that pops up, simply select Delete. You might receive 1 or 2 prompts asking for confirmation. Please click Yes to proceed. After deletion, remember to empty your recycle bin to permanently remove the files and free up that valuable disk space. This final step ensures the folder is gone for good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.